Mastering the art of color grading in video editing. Color grading is a powerful technique in video editing that allows you to enhance the visual aesthetics of your footage, create specific moods, and tell a more compelling story. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a beginner exploring the world of video production, understanding and mastering color grading can take your videos to the next level. In this article, we will delve into the art of color grading and provide you with essential tips and techniques to elevate the visual quality of your videos. 1. What is color grading? Color grading is the process of altering and enhancing the colors of your footage to achieve a desired visual style or mood. It involves adjusting the brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue of your video clips. Color grading can transform a bland and ordinary shot into a captivating and visually striking scene, making it a vital tool in the hands of a skilled video editor. 2. Importance of color grading. Color grading serves multiple purposes in video editing. Setting the mood, colors evoke emotions and set the overall mood of a video. By manipulating the color tones, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, a cold and distant ambience, or any other desired emotional response from your audience. Creating visual consistency, footage captured from different cameras or under different lighting conditions may have variations in color temperature and intensity. Color grading helps unify the visual style of your video by ensuring consistency throughout the entire project. Enhancing the storytelling, colors can convey meaning and enhance the narrative of your video. For example, warm tones can evoke nostalgia or happiness, while cool tones may suggest a sense of mystery or tension. By strategically using color grading techniques, you can guide the viewer's emotions and enhance the story you're telling. Improving visual appeal. Well-executed color grading can significantly improve the overall visual appeal of your video. By enhancing the contrast, balancing the colors, and creating a cohesive look, you can captivate your audience and make your footage more visually engaging. 3. Understanding color theory. Before diving into the technical aspects of color grading, it's essential to have a basic understanding of color theory. Here are a few key concepts to consider. Color wheel. The color wheel is a visual representation of the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. It helps you understand color relationships and how different colors interact with each other. Color temperature. Color temperature refers to the warmth or coolness of a color. Warm colors, such as red and orange, convey a sense of warmth, while cool colors, like blue and green, create a cooler or colder atmosphere. Color harmony. Color harmony refers to the pleasing combination of colors that work well together. It can be achieved through complementary colors, opposite on the color wheel, analogous colors, adjacent on the color wheel, or other color schemes like monochromatic or triadic. Color psychology. Different colors evoke different emotions and have psychological effects on the viewer. For example, red can signify passion or danger, while green can represent nature or freshness. Understanding color psychology can help you choose colors that align with the desired mood or message of your video. 4. Basic color grading techniques. Now that you have a foundation in color theory, let's explore some basic color grading techniques to enhance your videos. Adjusting exposure and contrast. Start by adjusting the exposure and contrast of your footage. Increase or decrease the overall brightness to achieve the desired look, and then fine-tune the contrast to enhance the visual depth and dynamic range. Pay attention to the shadows, midtones, and highlights to strike the right balance. Balancing colors with white balance. White balance ensures that whites appear neutral and colors are accurately represented in your footage. Adjust the white balance to correct any color casts caused by different lighting conditions. Use the color temperature settings to warm up or cool down your footage, depending on the desired mood. Correcting color casts. Sometimes, your footage may have unwanted color casts due to environmental factors or lighting conditions. Use color correction tools to neutralize these casts and bring your footage back to a natural and balanced state. Remove any dominant color cast that may distract from the intended visuals. Creating a cinematic look with color grading. Cinematic color grading often involves creating a specific color palette or look that enhances the storytelling and visual aesthetics. This can be achieved through selective color adjustments, tonal curves, or applying presets. Experiment with different styles and looks to find the one that suits your video genre and narrative. Enhancing skin tones. When working with footage that includes people, pay special attention to the skin tones. Adjust the color grading to ensure natural and pleasing skin tones. Avoid making the skin look too saturated or unnaturally colored, as it can detract from the overall visual appeal. 5. Advanced color grading techniques. Once you have a solid grasp of the basic techniques, you can explore more advanced color grading techniques to further elevate your videos. Color LUTs and presets. Color lookup tables, LUTs, and presets are predefined color grading settings that can be applied to your footage. They provide a quick and consistent way to achieve specific looks or styles. Experiment with different LUTs and presets or create your own to add unique visual signatures to your videos. Secondary color corrections. In addition to adjusting the overall color balance, you can perform secondary color corrections to specific areas of your footage. This technique involves isolating certain colors or regions and applying targeted adjustments. For example, you can emphasize the blue sky or selectively desaturate distracting colors in the background. Creating a graded mask. Graded masks allow you to apply different color grading settings to specific areas of your footage. This technique is useful for highlighting or de-emphasizing certain objects or subjects within the frame. For example, you can draw attention to a person's face by enhancing the colors in that area. Color keying and color isolation. Color keying and isolation techniques involve separating specific colors from the rest of the footage. This technique is commonly used for green screen compositing or when you want to create visual contrast by isolating a specific color. Use the keying or isolation tools in your video editing software to achieve this effect. 6. Tools for color grading. To effectively execute color grading, you need the right tools. Here are a few commonly used software and plugins. Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. These industry-standard video editing and compositing software offer robust color grading capabilities with their built-in tools and effects. DaVinci Resolve. This professional color grading software is widely regarded as one of the best in the industry. It provides comprehensive color grading features and advanced capabilities for filmmakers and colorists. Final Cut Pro. Apple's video editing software, Final Cut Pro, also offers a range of powerful color grading tools and effects to enhance your footage. Film Convert and Magic Bullet Looks. These popular plugins provide a collection of presets and tools to achieve various cinematic looks and styles, simplifying the color grading process. 7. Experimentation and practice. As with any skill, mastering color grading requires practice and experimentation. Don't be afraid to explore different techniques, styles, and creative choices. Learn from tutorials, study the work of professional colorists, and develop your unique visual style. The more you practice, the more comfortable and proficient you will become in the art of color grading. Conclusion. Color grading is a powerful tool that can transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary. By understanding the principles of color theory, applying basic and advanced color grading techniques, and using the right tools, you can create visually stunning videos that captivate your audience. Remember, color grading is both a technical skill and a creative art form, so let your imagination guide you as you master the art of color grading in video editing.